vehicle being out of commission can lead to expensive repairs at the body shop. And in automotive manufacturing applications, downtime for manufacturers can be costly. As the automotive automation industry continues to move to integrate Industry 4.0 technologies, incorporating cloud and IIoT devices, maximizing uptime remains paramount as unscheduled downtime costs the industry billions of dollars each year. Galco can help you maximize your automotive manufacturing applications with high-quality product solutions like sensors, soft starters, and contactors that fight against downtime and ensure continuous production, helping you reach quotas and deadlines. Reduce your downtime and maximize your uptime by visiting us at galco.com.